gonna throw this out there. I'm sorry for the brown tongue, coffee addict problem. So, hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, make sure you guys click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I typically upload on Sundays, and I'm sorry I didn't upload yesterday, but Saturday was actually my birthday, and I thought I would give myself a day off on Sunday and just upload today on Monday. Comment down below what day your birthday is, I'm curious to know. But literally 5 minutes ago, my doorbell rang, I ran my booty down there, and I was so happy because it was actually my FabFitFun box, and I am actually partnering up with FabFitFun to share with you guys their fall box. You guys know I love them. I already did a spring unboxing and a summer unboxing, and I thought I would continue it and do a fall unboxing because FabFitFun is by far my favorite subscription service out in the market, and I definitely recommend it. I'm just gonna open up the box first. It feels like Christmas every single season. It's so cute. I love the packaging. Let's do this as gracefully as possible. Ooh. Definitely not graceful. This is what the box looks like for fall. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service. Every single season you get a box, and inside it contains full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products. So the box does retail for $49.99 every season, but with my code NicolettaXO, you can get $10 off your box. So this whole box and everything inside is only going to cost you $39.99, and inside the products always retail for over $200. I've had boxes that have retailed for over $300. And what's really great now is you can customize a lot of the items going into your box, so you can get the items that you want. So I definitely recommend getting your box right now because they sell out so quick, and to be able to get the customized items you want, I will have the link down below as well as my coupon code. What's really great about FabFitFun as well is they always team up with charities and are full of products of female-founded companies. This season, they are teaming up with City of Hope. I am just going to open up the box now, and we are going to see what's inside. They do ship to Canada, US, and the UK. I love the inside. So it just comes with their magazine, which always states what's inside, all about it, everything you need to know, and then they usually always give you some coupons. So they give you a HelloFresh $80 gift card, and then inside it just looks like this. Oh my god, it smells so good in here. I wonder what it is. Okay. I'm like already looking in. So inside of the box, it just looks like this. There's so many goodies. I will let you guys know how much everything costs. Inside of the magazine, it says that your total value of the fall box can retail anywhere between $211 to $345.99. And of course, that's gonna alternate between which items you decide to customize in your box, because certain items are gonna be more pricier than the other. But it's crazy that the entire box could be up to $345, and all you're paying is $39.99 if you do use my coupon code NicolettaXO. So you are definitely getting so much product for the value that you're paying. This one I was really excited about, and this is actually one of the items I customized. This is the Amika ceramic hair straightener. And my hair straightener is so old, and I know it's gonna die any minute. So it comes in this like nice little felt pouch, and then inside it is this beautiful peachy pink color, which I'm obsessed with. This looks so amazing. It goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This actually retails for $80. So this alone would cost you more than the box. Can't wait to try it out, and I love the color. So the next thing I see is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It protects from heat styling. You shake well, work small amount of product in hands, apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. So this retails for 30 $30. I meant to say that it works up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not 30 degrees worth of money. It's $30. So there's that. You guys know I have been on a journey of growing my hair for so many years. So I'm always into taking care of my hair, trying different products out, seeing what works. And this is a good sized product. So this is going to last a long time. And I do love my heat tools. It's kind of fitting that I bought the hair straightener and then I got the heat protectant styling product. I see you there, FabFitFun. I see you. Making sure I keep my strands healthy and not damaged like they already are. Tea. So the next thing that catches my eye, which I'm not sure what this is Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. This is so cute. I've never seen these before or heard of it. I love the packaging first off. Oh, this is what smells good. Oh my gosh. This smells so nostalgic. I feel like it smells like Jolly Ranchers. When you used to eat way too many Jolly Ranchers as a kid, me. Oh, it smells so good. This retails for $16 and it says that these sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. These are so cool. I literally want to eat this. Like this seems like it's like candy, but we're not gonna do that. Next thing was one of the items that I picked up as well, or I customized in my box, and this is the cut from the cloth wallet. So she just looks like this, and inside she looking like this. I actually wanted this because I don't have any big wallets anymore. I have like a small wallet, and I thought this could come in handy if I ever want like a bigger wallet or switch it out. So this retails for $60. It has 7 credit card slots, an ID window, and 1 full-length bill compartment. The wallet is just as functional as it is chic. It feels like really lightweight and not super thick, which is good. But I just wanted kind of like a bigger wallet, like I said. And it honestly looks so cute to even just bring this out when you're going to dinner instead of bringing a purse. I love this. It looks so sleek, and I love the black and white. You can never go wrong with your neutrals. So the next thing I see that is interesting me is the Human and Kind Body Souffle. And it is vegan and cruelty-free, and it is naturally derived. I love finding new natural products. This retails for $18. It is a 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. It quickly absorbs to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Love how it has apricot. Do you say apricot or apricot? Apricot. I don't know. I may or may not sometimes be lazy and don't moisturize myself, and I feel like, you know, I need to moisturize myself a little bit more because we don't want to be all flaky and a little bit crusty, so this is going to come in handy. That is the good thing about FabFitFun, is you can try different brands that you've never heard of and test it out, and you are saving money because the box costs you so cheap compared to what's actually in your box. And it's also convenient because it comes straight to your door and you don't even need to go out and find the products and do all of that jazz. The next thing I see, this is one of the items I customized, and this is the Skin & Co. Face Toner. It is Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. It is made in Italy. Wow. So this looked very luxurious to me, and I kind of wanted to try it, and I needed it in my life. So it says that it is a purifying formula for all skin types, and it is alcohol free, which is good because we do not want any alcohol in it, and it is also cruelty free and vegan. It smells really clean and fresh. It is sealed though, so I can't fully smell it, and I don't want to open it yet. But this does say it retails for $30, and it says it's gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses a black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. Witch hazel is really great for those that struggle with acne, and you guys know it's a lifelong struggle, and I've done so many videos on acne, so if you guys are curious, definitely check those videos out. I will link it down below and up above. Gotta give myself a little self-promo in here. I hope that it really helps my skin, and I like how it also has a brightening effect because since I have struggled with acne, I have unfortunately been left with a lot of acne scarring, so I've been trying to use products that are going to really help brighten my skin and kind of fade my acne scars over time. So this is the Better Skin Co. Cleanser Scrub Mask. This retails for $32, she expensive, but it says that it is a 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask. It's enriched with nourishing ingredients to give your skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. So I am really excited to try this out. I love trying different face products and skincare products, and this sounds promising. It says that it is scented with a hint of orange, has grapeseed oil, which is really good for the skin, cucumber, parsley, and chamomile. I feel like this is also going to be great for sensitive skin and acne prone skin, so I'm excited to test this out, and maybe you guys will see it in an upcoming video of mine. And then the last thing is just this Trestique Mini Eye Essentials. So it comes with a brow pencil, shadow crayon, and an eye pencil. On the back here, you can just create a full eye look, and I thought this would be really good for traveling. This is one of the items I customized. These do retail for $48, and it's said to create a gorgeous eye look with soft brown pencil, long wearing eyeliner, and velvety smooth shadow crayons. I usually look up the reviews when I am customizing my items, and I believe a lot of people rated this good. So I'm excited to test this out, and I just think these are really convenient to bring on the go. So it's easy to just throw in your purse or travel with you. But that is all that is in my box. I love everything. I'm so excited to now go try everything out. This literally is such a good birthday present. It came right on time, and if you guys want to pick up your fall box, definitely do so now. I will have FabFitFun linked down below for you guys, as well as my code NicolettaXO that gives you $10 off. So make sure you guys do pick it up now because they do go out quick. Let me know if you guys end up trying out FabFitFun, and also let me know what your birthdays are down below. And subscribe if you want to join my YouTube family. I upload every single week. And I will also have all my socials, my Poshmark if you want to shop my closet, my mugs, everything down below in the description box. Make sure you guys go check that out. But on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!